This is how you make Slimming World chips.
The best Slimming World chips.
You chop them up like that with one of those, whatever they're called. Up into a bowl.
Then you wash them.
And you wash them in this bowl. Make them look like chips.
Then you gotta wash them all.
Wash, wash, wash. Empty the water. Let the water run through the chips. Like that. And then it should be like that. What? Shake them a bit. Pour the water out. Shake them again. Let more water run through. Shake them again. And then put them back in the bowl. So you put fry light into the bowl. Like that.
Then put the chips in.
Then put the chips in. Kind of looks like snow. Put the chips in.
Then put fry light on the chips.
I think fried rice smells nice. Nice. Put more on. Take them up.
In the air fryer.
Into the air fryer. You can hear them sizzling.
For
25 minutes. So here the chips are done. Now I'm just slowly just going to pour them out on the plate. Yeah.
And that's how you make Slimming World chips, isn't it?
Yeah. And we're going to have it with some curry and rice.
Some curry and some rice.